First problem, integral sine 2x by a plus b cos x whole square into dx. Now this is equals to integral. First, in place of sine 2x, we write the value 2 sin x cos x by a plus b cos x whole square into dx. And next we take that this denominator value is equals to t. That is a plus b cos x is equals to t. Now what is the derivative? A derivative 0 plus b into cos x derivative minus sin x into dx is equals to dt. That is the value of dx is equals to dt by minus b sin x. Now replacing all these values in this one. Now this is equals to integral 2 sin x into cos x. What is cos x value from this equation? Cos x is equals to t minus a by b whole by a plus b cos x. What is a plus b cos x? T square into dx. What is dx value? dt by minus b sin x. Now here sin x and sin x gets cancelled. What are the constants? 2 by b into minus b, that is 2 by b square. 2 by b into bb square, 2 by minus b square into what is remaining value? T minus a by t square into dt integral. Now taking the constant before the integration, 2 by minus b square into integral t minus a by t square into dt. Now separating the denominator, that is equals to minus 2 by b square into integral first value t by t square minus second value a by t square into dt. And this is equals to minus 2 by b square into first value 1 by t minus a into second value a into 1 by t square, that is a into t power minus 2 into dt. Now taking the integration, minus 2 by b square into what is 1 by t integration? Log t minus a into t power minus 2 x power n form. X power n integration x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 t power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. Now this is equals to minus 2 by b square into log t minus a into t power minus 1 by minus 1 plus c, which is equals to minus 2 by b square into log t minus of minus becomes plus a into t inverse, that is 1 by t plus c. Now replacing t value, minus 2 by b square into t value a plus b cos x, log of a plus b cos x plus a into 1 by a plus b cos x plus c. That's all. This is the answer. Next problem, integral secant x into log of secant x plus tan x into t. So first we take that log of secant x plus tan x is equals to t. Now taking the derivative, this is log x form. What is log x derivative? 1 by x, that is 1 by secant x plus tan x into again the derivative of secant x plus tan x. Secant x plus tan x whole dash is equals to dt, that is 1 by secant x plus tan x into, now what is secant x derivative? Secant x tan x plus what is tan x derivative? Secant square x into again x derivative dx is equals to dt. Now taking secant x common from these two terms, then we get secant x into tan x plus secant x by secant x plus tan x into dx is equals to dt. That is secant x into dx is equals to dt. Therefore the given problem is integral secant x into log of secant x plus tan x. First we take that log of secant x plus tan x. What is remaining after this term? We take secant x. Secant x dx is equals to log of secant x plus tan x. What is that value? T. T into secant x dx. What is secant x dx? dt. Now this is in the form of t power 1. What is the integration? T power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus c. That is t square by 2. Now replacing t value. What is t value? Log of secant x plus tan x. So answer is log of secant x plus tan x whole square by 2 plus c. That's all. This is the answer. Next problem, integral dx by sine of x minus a into sine of x minus b. Now this is equals to, in the next step I apply one term here, is equals to integral sine of a minus b by sine of a minus b into sine x minus a into sine x minus b into dx. In the first step, we apply the term sine of a minus b to the given problem like that. In the denominator we have sine of a minus b, so writing that value before the integration. Sine of a minus b, 1 by sine of a minus b into integral. Now we change the numerator term as sine of, this is taken as x minus b minus of x minus a, which returns the value sine of a minus b. X minus b minus x plus a. Minus x and plus x gets cancelled, so the remaining value is nothing but a minus b. So without changing the value, we can write this term as like that. Now what are remaining in the denominator? Sine of x minus a into sine of x minus b into dx. So first we take this value before the integration and we made this term as like that. Now this is equals to 1 by sine of a minus b into, which is in the form of sine of a minus b. What is the formula for sine a minus b? Sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. That is sine a sine x minus b into cos b cos x minus a minus cos a cos x minus b into sine b sine x minus a. AB sine a cos b minus cos a sine b whole by sine of x minus a into sine of x minus b. Now separating the denominator into dx, and this is equals to 1 by sine of a minus b into integral first der sine x minus b into cos x minus a by sine x minus a into sine x minus b minus cos x minus b into sine x minus a by sine x minus a into sine x minus b. Now here sine x minus a gets cancelled. Here sine x minus b gets cancelled. Now writing the remaining values. Now this is equals to 1 by sine a minus b into integral. What is first value? Cos x minus a by sine x minus a, which is nothing but cot x minus a, minus what is this? Cos x minus b by sine x minus b, that is cot x minus b into dx. Now taking the integration, 1 by sine a minus b into, what is cot x minus a integration? Integral cot x is equals to log of sine x. So integral cot x minus a is equals to log of sine x minus a minus integral cot x minus b log of sine x minus b plus c, and this is equals to 1 by sine a minus b into, which is in the form of log a minus log b, that is log of a by b. That's all. This is the answer.